Now, India's Space Research Organization, or ISRO chairperson V. Narayanan, on Thursday has said that 90% of the work on India's maiden human spaceflight mission Gaganyaan has been completed. The first of the 3 uncrewed missions is scheduled to be undertaken in December. ISRO completed the first integrated airdrop test for Gaganyaan at the Satish Dhawan Space Centre at Sriharikota on the 24th of August. This test successfully demonstrated the critical parachute-based deceleration system of the crew module of the Gaganyaan mission. In a simulated rehearsal of the splashdown that will take place when astronauts return to Earth after the mission, a module was lifted using a helicopter to an altitude of 3 kilometers and released before deploying 9 parachutes for a successful splashdown into the Bay of Bengal. And for more on this announcement, let's go across live to DD India's Shubhendu Ghosh. Now, hi Shubhendu, does this really mean that India's manned space mission is on course for its 2027 launch?
Look, Gautam, yes, it does look like the first major step is going to be being taken forward successfully. 90% work is done for the first uncrewed mission of Gaganyaan. It's one of the most ambitious space missions that India has planned. It's going to be India's first manned mission. Well, the manned mission will take place a couple of years later in 2027, and what we are witnessing now are the preparations towards that mega mission. This is going to be an uncrewed mission. December sometime is when ISRO thinks it's going to be ready. 90% work is done. The technicalities, as you mentioned, are all in place. There are going to be multiple uncrewed missions next year, 2026 as well, and those will determine if the preparations are complete to safely take human beings to the space. 3 Indian astronauts or Gaganyatris will be taken into the space as part of the Gaganyaan mission, about a height of 400 kilometers from Earth into the space. They're going to spend about 3 days orbiting the Earth, and after that they have to be brought back to Earth. Now, there are a lot of complexities and variables involved in this mission, and therefore the importance of this robot, Vyomitra, who's going to be part of this uncrewed mission. In the shape of a woman, it's a robot, AI-enabled robot that with sensors, which is going to be tracking all the details, all the sort of data which are important to make sure that the human space flight, when it takes place, is absolutely safe.
And Shubhendu, how critical is the Gaganyaan mission to India's overall space emissions?
Oh, it's hugely significant, Gautam. Space is often referred to as the final frontier, and it's no different with India. India also has planned a space station, an indigenous space station, by the year 2035. Come 2040, India plans to have a crewed mission to the moon. Now, Gaganyaan mission is going to establish India's expertise in taking humans to space and bringing them back safely. So in that sense, it's a most important stepping stone for any kind of human space exploration in the future. And given the manner in which India has always shared its expertise, particularly in the space domain, with the whole of Global South, if India is able to achieve this feat, it is going to be a remarkable milestone for the Global South in taking forward its ambitions and aspirations into the space.
Certainly, Shubhendu. Well, I'm sure we all wish ISRO all the success it needs, all the good luck that it needs to complete this mission. Thanks a lot for joining us to talk about it for the time being.